Hi, my name is Leon and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Folifort before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Folifort is, be careful with the website you're going to buy Folifort from, because Folifort is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Folifort, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Folifort works, and after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will treat hair loss and balding problems. It is the ultimate solution for people suffering from debilitating conditions like male pattern baldness or alopecia. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Folifort and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Folifort for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Folifort to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day to ensure Folifort works better. Swallow 2 capsules with a full glass of water 1 hour before meals. If you forget, you can take it after meals, but 2 hours later when digestion is complete. Or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Folifort has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Folifort from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Folifort actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes.